guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious ensalada de lentejas. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by cooking our lentils. Here I already have them all nice and clean. Just going to transfer them to a saucepan along with a piece of onion, a garlic clove, 2 bay leaves, and salt. Now we're just going to cover them with water. Set it over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Alright, so once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium and allow it to continue cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes or until our lentils are nice and tender. Alright, so after 15 minutes, our lentils should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. And now we're just going to drain them, remove the onion, garlic, and bay leaf. And just set it to the side and allow it to cool down. Alright guys, so once our lentils have cooled down completely, now we can get ready for the fun part. We're going to be making our dressing. So for that, we're going to mix 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard. You can use either one, along with 1 teaspoon of honey. This is just going to balance it all out. 1 teaspoon of chipotles in adobo. Going to be grating 1 garlic clove. And for our spices, we're going to be adding half a teaspoon of black pepper, smoked paprika, oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, chili powder, chili flakes, and salt to taste. So we're just going to whisk it together for about a minute, or just until you see it change color. And here you're able to taste it and see if you need to adjust it, if you want to make it a little more sweeter, spicier, or add a little more salt. But just like that, we have our dressing. So now we can get ready to mix it all together. All right, now to our bowl, we're going to add our cooked lentils, purple onion, cucumber. I'm adding a little bit of chile serrano, but of course, it's totally optional. Along with our tomatoes, roasted bell pepper, and of course, some cilantro. And here we're going to add our dressing. Now you can add the whole thing or just add a little bit at a time. That's going to be all up to you. Just pour it in. And now just mix it all together. Once it's mixed, I'm going to add my queso fresco. And of course you can always add avocado as well. My avocados were not good, but they taste so good in the salad. Okay, so once we have it, you can refrigerate for about 20 minutes and then we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and after at least 20 minutes, we can now get ready for the best part, and that's serving. Now of course, you can always enjoy it with tostadas, crackers, or just literally anything. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here, it's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful, so filling, and it's honestly just perfect for this time of year. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. This right here is seriously the best. The dressing is what puts this whole salad together. It's so good. And I promise you that even if you don't like lentils, if you give this one a try, you're going to love it. So flavorful. It's the combination of everything. It goes so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious ensalada de lentejas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.